godliness of soils and water technology for the benefit of present and future generations. During his administration, the municipality of San Nicolas was a beneficiary of 3 small impounding dams. Even way back then, he already had the consciousness of the need to protect the ecology and preserve the environment. He is also the chairman of the Kinusang Bagong Lipunan, or KBL, a political party of the municipality of San Nicolas. He was also elected as first term the 5th Sangguniang Panlalawigan member, as senior board member in 2001. Served as vice chairman for Region 1 and National Deputy Secretary General for Administration in the Provincial Board Members League of the Philippines. Re-elected for a second term in 2004 as Sangguniang Panlalawigan Board Member, ranked number 2 and elected chairman for Region 1. In 2007, he was elected for his 3rd term and last term as Sangguniang Panlalawigan Board Member and garnered the top position as Senior Board Member of 7th Sangguniang Panlalawigan. He was also re-elected as Regional Chairman of the Provincial Board Members League of the Philippines for Region 1. Honorable Eugenio Anelo Marcos Barba ran and won as the Vice Governor of the Province of Ilocos Norte last May 10, 2010 national election, and he garnered a total of 121,364 votes. Am I correct, sir? Our guest speaker has a lot of noble qualities like work, and work. He's got to work, got to succeed, got to get that promotion, got to be respected by his colleagues, got to be a man. Men are born with this urge to be the head, the leader, the provider, the role model, and the one who knows everything. Ladies and gentlemen, his identity is connected with his success. Without success, he feels less of a man. It is great pleasure and honor to be a part of his successful career that demonstrates courage and determination. He has such a tender heart, filled with kindness and compassion. Our incredible, unique God-given. He amazes us with his wisdom, with his insight and potential. A civic leader, dedicated and approachable, with proven honesty and integrity. Ladies and gentlemen, the brilliant and famous Vice Governor of the Province of Ilocos Norte, our enthusiastic, handsome, and the Honorable Eugenio Marcos Barba.